What's up, guys? So today's video is gonna be slightly different. We're gonna be working on a Chevy. So we're gonna be showing you how to remove the grille on this 2016 Chevy 1500. So we're gonna be taking off the grille because we're gonna be doing some light bar installs behind it. But anyways, I just wanna show you for this video how to remove the grille. It's pretty simple. So we're gonna get to it. We'll go step by step. Let's get it done. So first things first, obviously we're gonna pop the hood. It's just the latch in the middle there. I'm sure you guys probably know that much by now. Once you pop the hood, you're gonna see a series of these push clips. So the way these work is you're gonna see that little lip there. You're gonna pry up on that little lip, and I'll get a screwdriver. You're gonna use a flathead screwdriver to pry up on those, and I'll show you how to get those out. But you're gonna wanna remove this whole panel, and you just follow along and count the clips. You'll see them, they all have that same appearance where they have a little slot for the screwdriver to go in, and you're gonna lift it up. So let's get those out. So like I was mentioning, you can either use a flat screwdriver like this, and you're gonna insert it like so, and you're going to pry it up. So just be gentle with it, or you can use something along this nature if you have one of these, and you'll put it underneath. These usually work a little bit better, but either one is gonna get the job done. And you're gonna pry these up. So you wanna pry out the center post, and I'll show you guys why. So they lift up like so. And then once you lift it up like that, then the whole clip will come out. So the center peg just looks like this, and it expands the plug. So you might end up seeing them come apart like that, but essentially this is what you're taking out, is this expansion plug like this, and then this center core. So we're gonna go ahead and pop all those out, and once that's out, we should be able to lift that panel out and do the next step. Alright, so once you guys remove those 12 clips, which look like this, again, you're just gonna pop the center out and then pull the whole clip out together. Then you're ready to remove this panel. So this panel can come off, and we'll pull this out. Okay, so with that panel removed, there's gonna be 4 10mm bolts. You can see one here, one here, one here, and one here. So let's remove those 10mm bolts and go to the next step. Okay, so now that the 4 bolts are removed, you're actually gonna, if you guys look inside here, that's probably a better image, you can see these tabs. They are clipped in, so you have to lift this up enough so that this tab clears, and there's one of those tabs on the 2 corners. So you're gonna have to make sure that those are lifted up enough to get it out. So let's go ahead and lift up on the front of the grill and pull out. We'll also probably have to stick our fingers in here and pull out, because there's retaining tabs in the back here in the center of the grill holding it on. Okay, so you guys have probably noticed that it's quite difficult if you've never taken it off to get the clips off, because there's a bunch of speed clips in the middle, which I'll show you once we get it off. And you can pull on it quite a bit and you're gonna find it's not gonna come off. So one easy trick that I just figured out is to shove like some sort of bar in here so that you can push the grill out in the center. And it's gonna make it a lot easier. We just did it on that side, so you're gonna hear that pop, and that's just disengaging the clip, because if you start pulling on it from the front really crazy, you might have snapped something. So let's continue to take it off.
Oh, that's like you pull the whole thing up like that. We'll take a look where it is, but I think if you boom.
So grill is now off, and that's what I was kind of showing you guys, or trying to explain, is what we did is end up sticking that bar down here so that we could pry and kick the grill out this way rather than trying to rip on the front of the grill and potentially break it. And then once we popped those top tabs off, and I'll show you on the grill in a second, but what we did was we slid the bar all the way down, and then same thing, we pushed on the bar just to kick these bottom tabs out. So you can see where they're retained here. You got one here, you got one there, and all the way across the bottom. Same thing on the other side, you have one here, another one there, and then you have these 2 in the middle. And where those correspond to on the grill is here. So you can see these speed clips here. We got there, all the way across the bottom, same thing. 2 in the middle, and then these 2 here. And this is the top of the grill that you can see. So top of the grill, and there's those clips. So Again, what we did is we put the bar in so that we could push the grill out this way, or sorry, push the grill out that way, and same thing on the bottom, and that really helped. So we got it all off, all the clips are not broken, and we can go ahead and do what we wanted to do, or whatever you'd want to do, whether it's painting the grill or swapping the grill. Now you'd be able to do that. Putting it on is as simple as the reverse what we did. Push everything back in, put those 4 bolts in, and then put all the push pins in on your top splash shield there, and you would be done. So there's the grill off the truck. And thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and check back for other videos. We're gonna be doing some other stuff. I think we're gonna be messing around with the grill a little bit. Maybe plastic dipping it or switching it up slightly. And also on the next video, we're gonna be installing a couple light bars behind the grill. So make sure to stop back and check out how we did that, because that's mainly the reason why we took this off, was to put those 2 light bars on. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.